In this lecture, I'm going to talk about eosinophils. And as you know that eosinophils are granulocytes or cells with acidophilic granules. They come from the pluripotent stem cells. These in red are acidic granules of the eosinophils, and eosinophils produce major binding protein, eosinophil cationic protein, nitric oxide, eosinophil derived neurotoxin, and peroxidase. Major binding protein and eosinophil cationic protein, they have anti-parasitic effect. Eosinophil derived neurotoxin is toxic to the nervous system of the worms, so it has an anti-helminthic effect. Nitric oxide, it has an antiviral effect. Also, eosinophils produce histaminase, and as you know that histamine during the course of inflammation, it increases capillary permeability and vasodilatation. So histaminase is an anti-histamine, and that leads to anti-inflammatory property. So eosinophils, they have an anti-inflammatory property when they produce histaminase. Also, eosinophils, they produce cytokines, and these cytokines, they have also specific receptors. However, these receptors may be to other cytokines from T helper number 2 cytokines. However, cytokines by eosinophils, for example, interleukin number 4, it is responsible for class switching to IgE, and interleukin number 13, it is responsible for recruitment of eosinophils to bronchioles in case of bronchial asthma. And as you may know that mast cell also produce eosinophil chemoattractant factor that recruit more eosinophils to the bronchioles. TGF-beta is important for wound healing, so it has a healing property. Also, eosinophils, they express major histocompatibility class 2, and they express on their surface chemokine receptors, and also they express complement receptors, or receptors for complement number 3, CR3, and they express Fc epsilon R1, which is high affinity receptors specific for IgE antibodies. So as can be seen here, this shows anti-parasitic effect of the eosinophils, and the eosinophils, they have receptors specific for IgE and IgG. So receptors specific for IgE, they are named Fc epsilon R1, and also they have receptors specific for IgG, and they are Fc gamma R1 and Fc gamma R2, and also they have Fc gamma R3. And as can be seen here, this is complement receptor 3. It is specific for C3b, and actually the C3b, it binds to the outer surface, so opsonize the parasite to the neutrophil, where the specific antibodies against some antigens on the surface of parasite will bind to their specific receptors, and this lead to degranulation of or expression of the acidophilic granules, as can be seen here. And in case of parasites or worms or helminths, major binding protein and eosinophil cationic protein, these are responsible for killing of the parasites. And this is very clearly, as can be seen here, this is a worm, and these are the specific antibodies. They bind to their receptors, and this lead to liberation of the granules from eosinophils that mediate killing of the worm. And also, eosinophils, they have the capacity to produce extracellular traps, as can be seen here. These are filaments or fibers, and the eosinophils, they modify their chromatin. This comes actually from the nucleus. They modify their chromatin, and they express or produce these fibers and filaments. And these fibers actually, they are very sticky, and they can trap microorganisms and maybe parasites. However, the eosinophils, they have an anti-bruzoan effect, but it is not fully understood so far. And this extracellular traps, it is similar to extracellular traps expressed by the neutrophils. As can be seen here, neutrophils modify their chromatin, and they produce these fibers or filaments together with histones, DNA, myeloperoxidase, and elicase. And they can trap microorganisms together with also platelets, as they are very sticky. However, when it is done, they phagocytose their nets. These are known, this process is known as netosis, or neutrophil extracellular trap formation. This is here the comparison between the nets by the neutrophils and the extracellular trap by the eosinophil. And as I mentioned that eosinophils, they have the capacity to produce a lot of cytokines and chemokines. And as mentioned before, that interleukin 4 produced by neutrophil is very important for class switching to IgE antibodies. And also eosinophils, they produce interleukin number 13, which is important for their survival when they reach the bronchioles, as IL-13 recruit the eosinophils to bronchioles, and that may lead to what is so-called eosinophilic asthma. And also eosinophils, they produce TGF-beta, which is very important for wound healing. Thank you very much, Professor Ahmed Bourlad.